Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create your avatar on your account on Snapchat easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon and now click create my avatar, and you choose are you female or male, and now just uh, keep going like this. Choose any one here, keep going, and after this click save and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.